Have you ever wondered what a prescription really is and why it's so important when it comes to getting medicine? Hello everyone, I am Hannah Grace, a second-year pharmacy student, and here's what I've learned during my first year. Ang salitang prescription ay galing sa Latin word na prescriptio, meaning before I write. Only doctors, dentists, and veterinarians are authorized to prescribe medications. Kaya't sila lang ang pwedeng magsulat ng reseta. Meron tayong dalawang klase ng gamot, prescription drugs at OTC or over-the-counter drugs. Ang prescription drugs ay mga gamot na kailangan ng reseta bago ito mabili at hindi basta-basta mabibili sa butika. Examples nito ay antibiotics, strong painkillers, blood pressure tablets, cancer medicines, opioids, CNS depressant, stimulants at marami pang iba. Samantalang ang OTC drugs ay hindi na kailangan ng reseta at pwede mo nang bilhin ng direkta. Sa bawat reseta, makikita ang pangalan ng gamot, yung dose, dosage form, at kung paano ito inumin at gamitin. Ngayon, alam mo na kung ano ang prescription. Kung gusto mo pang may matutunan, just follow me and see you on the next video!